Hi everyone, welcome back to Hawkstack's channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize your RHEL terminal by changing the PS1 prompt and adding colors. This not only makes your terminal look cool, but also helps you be more productive and organized while working. The PS1 variable in Linux stands for prompt string 1. It defines how your command prompt looks. By editing this, you can display useful information like username, host name, time, current directory, and even apply colors to them. Right? So let's check out how our command prompt looks terminal looks currently. So as of now we just have our host name and username without any colors. So how am I going to know what is my ps1 value? To make sure that I know it, I just have to type in echo dollar ps1 and it gives me the value. To take your current prompt value, just type in the command echo dollar ps1. So now it just gives us what all is given here. It's just giving me slash u at the rate slash h and slash w and slash dollar, right? We'll get into these details later on. We just see that it is just my username, my and local name, host name, and my present working directory are displayed. If I want to display colors and also want to display a time in this, I just need to change in the PS value. I'm going to just change in the PS1 is equal to with the custom variable. Now, once this custom variable is assigned, my colors completely change. So you can see that the date has been added in cyan. My username and host name have been changed to green, and the present working directory's color have been changed to blue. So you can see these commands slash e036m. These fields are actually going to change my colors. So slash e036m changes the color to cyan. Slash t gives my time field. Again, slash e032m is going to change my color to green, and green color has been changed for the username. At the rate is just added symbol, and slash h is for my host name. Colon again is a character value that I want to display after my host name is being displayed. So I again have slash e034m that is going to change the color to blue. Slash w and here dollar symbol is given here for my present working directory. If I'm working as a root user, this can be changed to root. The last field, that is slash e 0m, this is going to set my default value. So it is going to reset my color to default value. So please don't delete this. Now the changes that we have made here, are these permanent? No, we see that the changes have been reverted. So how do we make this permanent? All we need to do is we need to add this variable to the bash rc file. So we are just going to edit the bash rc file, bash rc with this variable. We are going to copy paste this variable in our bash folder, in our bash file, right? Go to the end of my bash file, and I'm going to paste this line over here. So once I paste this line, I save and quit. Once it is done, am still not seeing any changes to the terminal. So I just run bash again. So once I run my bash, I can close the terminal and reopen it again, and I can see the changes have been applied. So we have to make these changes to bash file very cautiously so that they don't configure in a wrong manner. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you.